Pranam Bharat. Today we are so fortunate to have Dr. Jose Amistas, a CMF colorist, a canonist and judge, a defender of both.
According to the canon law, we say that the authority should be for the service of the members, no other members. And we also, the canon law says that it should be a fixed time and a convenient time. Fixed time means it should be for 3 years or 5 years. There should be a fixed time. And it should be also convenient time so that they can function as a superior for not to complete particular project or something like that. Okay, so that is why the court says that it is a convenient time as well as a fixed time. And also court says that a person should not be in power for long time. No, so the constitution should make a provision that they can be in the power for a certain fixed time. After that, they have to move from that power, so that other people also will get a chance. So that will be good for the congregation and the province. When the new persons comes, then it will be an new way of thinking and a new line they can think about it, and it will be good for the congregation as well as the communities as well as the province. So that is why the court says that a person should not be in power for a long time. At the same time, also says that we should also have a sharing of power, and one person should not be the all posts. For example, provincial superior as well as superiors or the council members. So each one should have its own particular role. For example, provincial superior should be provincial superior, and he also should have council members. And the provincial superior and council members should not be the same person. At the same time, the provincial superior cannot be a superior of a particular community also, because in that particular community there should be another superior, because he has to take care of that particular community. Now, provincial may be staying there in that particular community, but then if he becomes the superior also, then his focus will be diverted. So he will not be able to concentrate on his work as a provincial superior. So that is why we say that in the provincial house also there should be another superior who can take care of the day-to-day affairs of that community.
Thank you very much, Father. It's very enlightening and inspiring, and I hope our learning on the constitutions, especially the canon law and so on, will help us in working together for the glory of God and the salvation of souls.